we have seen the last lectures about how that particular writer just tried to just only draw away from that male langur. Now see the next one, page number 10. Page number 10 having a second passage. By this time my parents and sisters had come out on the veranda and were witnessing my rescue operation. Some of our neighbors had also gathered in the distance. In that this was going on, that writer was just only trying to save that particular this baby langur, and that times the writer's parents also came there. All the neighbors also gathered there. I took the baby langur to our backyard and gently laid him on the floor inside the poultry coop. His body was full of deep bite marks and scratch. When this writer just only took that baby langur in the backyard and just only put it, laid him to inside the poultry coop. Coop means that a cage for a poultry. In Marathi we can say that kurada. मग रायटरनी काय केलं, त्या बेबी लंगूरला त्या एका खुराड्यामध्ये नेऊन जे बॅकयार्डला जे परस भाग होती त्या बॅकयार्ड साइडला त्या खुराड्यामध्ये त्याला अलगद नेऊन ठेवला. And that times his body was totally full of deep bite marks, having a very bite marks and scratch. Obviously that when this male langur clutched him, that times it bite him so many times, and that's why his body is full of deep bite marks. त्याच्या पूर्ण शरीरावर जखमा झालेल्या होत्या. Blood was oozing from some of the wounds. Wounds means we can say that injury. ज्याच काही जखमा होत्या, that blood were oozing. Oozing means that releasing or overflowing. त्या ज्या हा बेबी लंगूर जे होतं त्याच्याकडे, that having so many wounds because of this male langur bite him, and the blood was oozing from that. आणि त्या जखमांमधून रक्त वाहत होतं. The baby remained motionless. My father provided first aid to clean the wounds and stop the bleeding. That baby langur was motionless. Obviously, much of this baby langur was much of wounds on his body, and that time he obviously motionless. And that time, that writer's fathers came there with the first aid box and cleaned there the baby langur's wounds. Wounds mean that injuries. जे काही जखमा होत्या त्यांनी काय केल्या, त्या ठिकाणी त्या क्लीन अप केल्या. I was relieved to find out that the baby was breathing, even though his breaths were shallow. Shallow means we can say that when they cleaned, that writer cleaned the wounds of that particular baby langur, after some times the baby was breathing, and these breaths were shallow. Shallow means that a gap, much of the gaps when one breathes come. म्हणजे थोड्या वेळाने मोठा तो श्वास घ्यायला लागला. And next passage, splashes of the cold water made the baby still, and after a few shaky attempts he sat up. Means that writer splashes a cold water, and after that he just only stir, means that something a move, and after a few shaky attempts he sat up. थोड्याशा धडपडत थोड्या वेळाने ते जे काही बेबी लंगूर होतं ते जसं बस या ठिकाणी कसं बसलेलं आहे त्या पद्धतीने ते त्या ठिकाणी बसले. He was in a state of shock and started trembling like a leaf in the wind. His two little twinkling eyes welled up with the tears, and he started to sob with a muffled cry. We can say that we can say that his twinkling eyes, that eyes are very twinkling one, that kind very bright one, and that eyes welled up with the tears. Welled up means that suppressed, repeatants. We can say that that is very full of tears in his eyes, and the tears, and he started to sob with a muffled cry, just like a human child would after experiencing trauma. Trauma, a great distress. खूप जास्त एखाद्या लहान बाळ सुद्धा खूप जास्त पेन झाल्या, त्याला खूप यातना झाल्या, त्याच्यानंतर हुंदके देत कशा पद्धतीने रडतं आणि त्याच्या डोळ्यामध्ये कसं पाणी येतं, त्या पद्धतीने या बेबी लंगूरच्या छोट्याशा या माकडा जे काही वानर होतं वानराच्या पिल्लाच्या डोळ्यामध्ये पाणी आलं. I offered him a peeled banana with which he accepted with his unsteady hand and began taking hesitant bite. I offered him, that writer offered him a banana, a peeled banana. Peeled म्हणजे काय? Peeled banana. Banana is a noun and peeled is an adjective. Peeled banana which he accepted with his unsteady hand. Hands were not steady. That is unsteady means that very shaking one. And that times he just only put it that banana, peeled banana, and just only a hesitant bites. He began to taking hesitant. म्हणजे आपण म्हणतो ना, ज्यावेळेस त्याचा हात थरथर कापत होते आणि त्या रायटरने त्याच्या हातामध्ये सोललेला जे काही केळी होती त्याच्या सोललेली केळी त्याच्या हातामध्ये दिली आणि मग त्याने ती खायला सुरुवात केली. हेजिटंट बाईट्स जे काय होते ते हलत हलत त्याने ती केळी खायला सुरुवात केली. माय अटेन्शन वॉज फिक्स ऑन द रिवायवल ऑफ द बेबी अंगूर. Suddenly I had an uncanny feeling of being watched. Uncanny feeling means that not a natural feeling. That is, I turned away from the coop and looked up. There sat a mother langur on our kitchen roof. I turned away from a coop. That means that there was that baby langur in the coop. That writer turned away from that, and what did he see there? He saw that a mother langur was on the roof, and there sat a mother langur on our kitchen roof watching every move I made. She simply sat there quietly as if convinced that no harm was being done to her child. What there she that you can see her imagine about any mother. She is the mother of this baby langur, and what happened there? That times means that this writer was cleaning the wounds, that the writer gave a peeled banana to her child, a baby langur. That time she was seeing a lot of things from the roof of the kitchen of this writer. And see the next one. Meanwhile, the baby sensed the presence of his mother and started to sob and cry a little louder. Meanwhile, when that baby langur just only we can say that says that means that says that near to him there is her mother, and at times he experiences he says that baby langur was sobbing and cry a little louder. ज्या वेळेस या बेबी लंगूरने सेन्स त्याला जाणवलं की आपली आई कुठेतरी जवळच आहे असं जाणवल्यानंतर एक सॉबिंग म्हणजे हुंदका द्यायला सुरुवात केली आणि त्यांनी तो रडायला सुरुवात केली. कोणत्याही लहान बाळाचं बघा, आपली एवढ्या याच्यातून तो बाहेर पडला, एवढ्या त्याला जखमा झालेल्या त्याच्या अंगावर, आणि ऑब्व्हियसली असं झाल्यानंतर लहान बाळ कोणत्याही एखाद्या आईकडे आली जातं आणि म्हणून त्याला जाणवलं की आपली आई इथं कुठेतरी आहे आणि ते पाहिल्यानंतर त्याला खूप रडायला यायला लागली. Next, I retreated from the door of the coop to allow the mother access to her baby. I retreated. I just gave a sign to just access your baby. म्हणजे एक प्रकारे त्या नॅरेटरने रिट्रीट केलं की ओके कॅन फ्रॉम द डोर ऑफ द कूप, त्याच्या बाजूला तिथनं तो झाला आणि एक प्रकारे त्या जी मदर लंगूर होती त्या मदर लंगूरला त्याने एक प्रकारे सांगितलं, एक प्रकारे साईन असं एक सुचवलं की आता तू तुझं बाळ, तुझे जे बेबी लंगूर आहे ते तू घेऊ शकते. Immediately her mother descended on the floor of the coop and picked up the baby in her arms. On the floor of the coop and picked up the baby in her arms. She gave the baby through body inspections to check his injuries and then cuddle him tightly in her bosoms. Again, I read this. The mother descended on the floor of the coop and picked up the baby in her arms. When that the writer retreated from that coop and just only gave him a permission to access her baby, and immediately her mother just only descended from the फ्लोर ऑफ द कूप आणि त्या ठिकाणी ती पटकन डिसेंडेड कॅन से मूड डाऊनवर्ड्स पटकन त्या ज्या फ्लोर याच्यावर रूफवर होती ती पटकन ती खाली उडी मारून त्या ठिकाणी आली अँड पिक अप हर बेबी इन हर आर्म्स आणि तिने पटकन काय केलं आपल्या ह्या बेबी लंगूरला आपल्या पोटाशी कवटाळून धरलं अँड शी गेव द बेबी अ थ्रो बॉडी इन्स्पेक्शन्स टू चेक हिज इंजुरी अँड देन cuddled him tightly in her bosom. Cuddled, held very closely. What did she? Then after तिने नंतर काय केलं? She gave a baby a thorough body inspection. What she first just only when she just pick up her baby. First she inspected her body. where that wounds त्या ठिकाणी कुठे होतात ते सगळं इन्स्पेक्ट केलं चेक केलं आणि देन आफ्टर कडल हिम टाइटली इन हर बॉसम त्या पद्धतीने तिने आपल्या पुन्हा स्वतःच्या जवळ कुशीमध्ये त्याला घेतलं कडल मीन्स हेल्ड व्हेरी क्लोजली अतिशय जवळ आपल्या कुशीजवळ तिने आपल्या त्या छोट्याशा बाळाला घेतलं द बेबी फाउंड ग्रेट सोलॅस इन हर केअरिंग आर्म्स Solace means that very comfort. When this baby when that baby got her mother, that times this baby found a very great solace, very comfort in the arms of her mother. The mother sat still with the baby in her lap for a few minutes. It was almost as if she was pondering over her options and trying to figure out how she could keep the baby safe from further assault. It's pondering means that think over deeply. What she was doing there. That time the mother sat still with the baby in her lap for a few minutes. She just only picked up her baby and sat there very quietly for a few minutes, and after that she was almost as if she was pondering over her options and trying to figure out how she could keep the baby safe from the another attack or another assault. She was thinking about that if this male langur will come there. That's why she just only stopped there with some moments. For a few seconds, next passage, for a few seconds the mother langur looked straight into my eyes. Because here this mother langur when she was before she was leaving that place, that mother langur was seeing that looked straight into the writer's eyes. Even today I cannot forget that look in her eyes. या ठिकाणी रायटर म्हणतोय पवन मुखर्जी म्हणतायत की ज्या वेळेस तिने त्या मुलाला ऍक्सेस केलं स्वतः जवळ घेतलं आपल्या कुशीमध्ये घेतलं आणि एक प्रकारे तिला एक प्रकारे थँक्स म्हणायचं होतं पण प्राणी बोलू शकतात का नाही बोलू शकत आणि मग ज्यावेळेस तिने घेतल्यानंतर एक तिथनं तिला निघून जायचं होतं त्याच्या आधी तिने कोणाकडे पाहिलं जो रायटर होता तो काही त्यावेळेचा तो मुलगा 10-15 वर्षाचा मुलगा त्या रायटरच्या डोळ्यामध्ये तिने पाहिलं दॅट्स वाय द रायटर से दॅट आय कॅन नॉट फॉरगेट दॅट लुक इन हर आईज आणि तिने पाहिलेला तो कटाक्ष ज्या पद्धतीने तिने माझ्याकडे पाहिलं होतं ते मी कधीही विसरू शकणार नाही अँड शॉरिंग सायलेंट ग्रॅटिट्यूड ऑन मी फॉर सेव्हिंग हर चाइल्ड showering silent gratitude, showing her means showing gratitude. एक प्रकारे कृतज्ञता जी आहे ती त्या ठिकाणी तिने दाखवली. एक प्रकारे मी त्या बाळाला वाचवलं, त्याच्या वुंड्स क्लीन केल्या, त्या मेल लंगूरच्या तावडीमधून त्या रायटरने त्या बाळाला वाचवलं असतं. आणि ज्यावेळेस ती तिच्या बाळाला घेऊन जाते आणि त्या रायटरच्या डोळ्यामध्ये ती बघते आणि एक सांगते की हो तुम्ही वाचवले म्हणून मी तुम्हाला थँक्स म्हणते. आणि ते फक्त तिचे डोळे सांगतायत त्या लेखकाला. I was overwhelmed by the emotion. We can say that this one is the sentiment and the way she said thank to me. There sat a universal mother holding a stricken child in her lap. I was overwhelmed by the emotion. Overwhelmed means that covered. पूर्णपणे त्या इमोशननी मी पूर्ण झाकून गेलो. त्या प्राण्याच्या ज्या इमोशन माझ्यापर्यंत पोहोचल्या. Say that the sentiment and the way she says thanks to me. mean that she looked in the eyes of the writer. That time, what she said, that she said a thank you for the writer to save her child. There sat a universal mother holding a stricken child in her lap. Universal means that existing everywhere, involving everywhere. Universal mother holding a stricken child. Stricken, we can say that to be a very hit hard or a suffered child in her lap. आणि त्यावेळेस जाणवलं की जी युनिव्हर्सल जी मदर आहे ती आपल्या एखाद्या वीक असलेल्या खूप अशा स्ट्रिकन असलेल्या त्या बाळाला आपल्या कुशीमध्ये घेतलेले. नेक्स्ट, देन इन अ फ्लॅश she jumped with her baby clinging to her belly and reached our kitchen roof. She surveyed the area for the vicious male langur and then left away in the directions opposite to the place of the violent encounter. How? After that, त्या पद्धतीने नंतर तिने काय केलं बघा. Then in a flash she jumped with her baby clinging to her belly. तिने तिच्या ऑब्विसली वानरांची पिल्लं आपल्या आईच्या पोटालाच चिकटलेली असतात. त्या पद्धतीने ते जे पिल्लू आहे त्या आईच्या पोटाला चिकटलेलं असतात आणि त्याच पद्धतीने तिथून ती उडी मारते. त्या ठिकाणून जम्प करून जात असताना व्हॉट रीच अवर किचन रूफ, जम्प करून किचन रूफ वर जाते. शी सर्वेड द एरिया, त्या ठिकाणी ती जस्ट ओनली चेक दॅट एरिया वेअर इफ देअर विल बी अ मेल लंगूर, खरंच त्या ठिकाणी तो मेल लंगूर आहे का ते आधी चेक करते. तिथे जर असला तर काय करायचं, आपल्या बाळाला ते तो पुन्हा धरणार. फॉर द विशियस मेल लंगूर, विशियस मीन्स दॅट इव्हिल, व्हेरी विकेड वन, क्रूर असा मेल लंगूर त्या ठिकाणी आहे का हे ती त्या ठिकाणी चेक करते आणि चेक केल्यानंतर ती पुढे जाते. देन लेफ्ट अवे द डिरेक्शन अपोजिट टू द प्लेस ऑफ द व्हायलेंट एन्काउंटर. जो काही व्हायलेंट असा मेल लंगूर ज्या ठिकाणी निघून गेला त्याच्या अपोजिट साइडनी, अपोजिट विरुद्ध दिशेने ती निघून जाते. द ब्रीफ मीटिंग विथ द मदर अँड द बेबी लंगूर कन्व्हिन्स मी दॅट interspecies communications and mutual trust is indeed a reality, and should anyone strike the right chord, the relationship hums into action. Hums into action means becomes active. We have to trust, we have to a mutual understanding with the animals. Then the mother langur showed me that food was not the only means of communications between a man and animals. What the writer said, that mother langur showed me that is a foods was not just only a means of communication between a human and animals. फक्त अन्न हेच माणूस आणि प्राण्यांमधलं मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन नाहीये, दुसऱ्या सुद्धा गोष्टी असतात. व्हॉट इज दॅट, व्हॉट इज द अदर वन, दॅट इज दॅट वेअर द अदर मीन्स ऑफ एस्टॅब्लिशिंग अ बॉन्ड थ्रू अ ट्रस्ट, compassion and mutual understanding. What do we want? Each and every human being is just having with any, we can say that any animals that times a trust, a compassion. Compassion means that a sympathy and a kindness, and last one a mutual understanding. Mutual understanding जे असतं ते या ठिकाणी पाहिजे, देवाणघेवाण केली गेली पाहिजे, ते अंडरस्टँडिंग आपल्यामध्ये पाहिजे नाही. आपण सुद्धा प्राण्यांना समजावून घेतलं पाहिजे. 55 years have passed since that day. I am now 70 years old, but I still fondly remember that encounter of a special kind. 55 years have passed. साधारणतः 55 वर्ष निघून गेलीये. And I am now 70 years old. आता जे पवन मुखर्जी आहे, जे रायटर आहे, किती वर्षाचे आहे, साधारणतः 70 इयर्स, 70 वर्षाचे आहे. बट आय स्टील फॉन्डली रिमेंबर, ते आत्ताही म्हणतायत की जेव्हा मी साधारणतः 15 वर्षाचा होतो आणि त्यावेळेला मला अजूनही तो इन्सिडेंट आठवतोय, दॅट एन्काउंटर ऑफ अ स्पेशल काइंड. व्हॉट इज दॅट? The encounter, we cannot see that encounter, we cannot encounter means that we can see that very a meeting, very immediately, अचानक एखाद्या प्राण्याशी झालेली मीटिंग. मग ते कोणाशी एन्काउंटर होतं त्याचं ऑब्विसली दॅट मदर लंगूर. अँड मदर लंगूर्स when looked in the eyes of that writer, that times the writer got so many things. What is that so many things? Means that we have to trust On animals, mutual understanding is very important and compassion is very important. Is that food was not, that is a means of any communication. What is important? Our belief on animals. You have to take care of animals. That is very important. I think you understood this lesson very well.